Yes, yes, yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto, back with another one. Back with another one. What it is, man? How you guys doing out there? Hey, please to like this video. Hit that subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the notification bell so you could know when I upload something else. And all of these video got values, in my opinion. And if you learn something from it, go ahead, man. Give me a comment. Just say something. You know what I mean? But that's what it is. I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever I say right now, you just have to do your own research or check with your financial advisor. You know what I'm saying? Just don't jump and go do it just because I said it. I'll show you the place that I'm in, let you guys know how I feel about crypto and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys haven't signed up for crypto.com, you guys could check down below in the description. I'm going to have my link down there. You can use my link to sign up. You get $25 and I get 25. That's the way to start your crypto journey. But let's jump right into it. Just let's jump right into it, man. Crypto.com coin is down to 39 cent, and they changed the name. Now it's Chronos. So Chronos is down to 39 cent. You know what I'm saying? Uh, so in my opinion, now it would be a good time to buy Chronos. I got a bunch of Chronos already staked, but it's always good to get more. So I'm gonna see what it is. If it's gonna drop a little lower, now I might end up getting some more. uh you guys know I always talk about having the coin sitting there and not doing anything. But I got some coins there sitting there not doing anything right now, and what I'm thinking about, I want to go move these coins. uh I want to go move these coins, man. So let me get into it. I want to use them. I want to put them to work. I just feel like I'm not gonna have any lazy coins. I'm not with it. I'm not doing that lazy coins. No lazy coins in my DeFi wallet. If you in my DeFi wallet, you got to go to work. I'm sorry. Unless it's no work for you. Unless nobody want to give you work. But if it's a coin of mine, you got to go to work. Daddy got to get his money. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me jump into it. So I do have some Savanna, right? I do have some Savanna coin, but I can't find any staking pool to put it in. I can't find. I like to stake them, and I'm gonna just tell you guys the difference about just stake them or you have staking where when you stake it, I can show you. When you stake it, all right, let's see. When you stake the coin, you all you do you just stake it and that's it. And then you have another way where you have to pair the coin with another coin, so you will have two coins. So you know what I mean. Whatever it is, say Savanna and MMF, you'd have to get Savanna MMF, and you have to pair those coins, and then that's how you put them in the liquidity pool, and you make money off both of them. But I really don't like that. So that's the farming really. So right here you see they got stake now. So I go to stake. I just want to show you guys, but at the same time, I'm trying to find a place to put my Savanna. If I can't find a staking place, if I can't find a staking pool where I could just stake them, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swap them for something else, and that could be a mistake. But I mean, it happens all the time. You know, that's just how it goes. But let me see. So right here we got. Okay. What's the okay? So I always want to look at the before I stake anything, but I always want to look at the APY. So okay, so we got M share. I don't have any M share. So basically, right here, all you have to do, you have to stake your M share. So once you hit approve M share, and you have to pay. You have to pay a fee, and once you pay that fee, once I hit approve, let me see. Okay, so once I hit approve, it takes you here, and it tells you the fee for M share in order to stake M share. So if I had any M share, if you look at it, it said 0 M share. So I don't have any M share, so I can't do nothing. So I just gotta back out. But it would have cost me 0.22226 crow. So that's what it would cost me to start that. But I'm gonna reject that because I can't stake my Savanna. And then if you stake M share, you get Savanna. You earn Savanna. So uh, there's nothing here for me to stake my Savanna. So I'm gonna look around and see if I can find a place to stake them. And as I said, if I cannot find a way to stake my Savanna, where I don't have to pair it with something else, then I'm gonna swap it. I'm gonna swap it for something else and get it out there so I can work it. Alright. Gotta go to work, man. Ain't no coins of mine gonna be sitting in my wallet and just sitting there. You know what I'm saying? That's not what we do here. Oh, that's not what we. Oh, I'm back to the same place. Okay, let me see what farm. Let me see. Let me go to the farm and see how the farm, if the farm got anything. Because as I said, I'm looking for staking. Okay, see this one right here, Savanna MMF. So that's not what I'm looking for. I don't wanna pair them. I just want to stake. So this is the difference here. This would be like this the farm right here. But once you got Savanna MMF, you're gonna earn Savanna token. So you'd get Savanna for that one. But this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something like this because you got MMF right here. All you have to do is supply your MMF, and then you would earn Savanna. So right here, I'm looking for something like that. You got MMO. If you have your MMO, all you do, you stake it, and you earn Savanna. For this one, same thing with VVS. You stake your VVS, you earn Savanna. Rap Crow is the same thing, but they don't have nothing where you could stake the single Savanna, and I don't like that. That's kind of, you know what I'm saying? Because I do have like 15 Savanna, and if I can't find a way to stake them, because I'm gonna just go ahead and swap them for something, swap them for MMF, and put the MMF to work, or MMO, or something like, okay. Maybe I could swap them to, yeah, I swap them to MMF. MMF is cheaper. I always go cheaper so I could get more. More is better for me. So, that's kind of what I'm gonna do. Let me see what so yeah, so if I swap them for this right here, let me see what the APY is before I go do it, because that's one thing you always want to know what you're getting before. Okay, so it's what? That's 300. No, that's not bad. I could live with that, because sometimes it goes up, it goes up. So, okay, I can do that. I can do that. So, it's not like I'm going to lose. So, basically, I'm going to swap these. I'm going to swap my Savannah and get MMF, and then take the MMF, and I'm going to stake the MMF so I could earn Savannah. So, I'm going to get my tokens back. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, I'm going to walk you through it, because that's just how it is. You have to find, as I said, ain't no coin of mine gonna be sitting there not doing nothing. I'm gonna play them the game there. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, let's get straight to it. So, what I'm gonna do, I gotta go back so I could go swap my coin. Go back to MMF, and this is how we gonna do it. Go to MMF, and I'm gonna show you guys. You guys gonna see me do it right now. How to swap my coins. MMF is 60 cents right now. So, I'm gonna go launch pad. Last time I said Lanch. When I said Lanch, you know me, man. I got my accent, dog. But yes, so comes here and go to buy MMF, and right here, straight here. So now this is how you swap your token. Uh, I guess I should have. I'm not even saying it right, but anyway, bear with me. So select a token. So basically, I want to turn my 15 Savanna right here. I'm going to use my 15 Savanna, and I'm going to turn my 15 Savanna into MMF. So from 2, and I'm going to do the max. So hit max, and let's see, it said max. So the max is what that's going to be. Enable Savanna. So, all right. So now it takes me here, and it explained to me how much it's gonna cost to do this. So all I gotta do is confirm if I want to do it, which I have. And you gotta have Chronos coin to pay for your transaction. So okay, so it's approved. Once it's approved, that's what it is. So it's done. It might take a little no swap. I think I got a swap. uh, Confirm swap, and that's it. uh, oh, so now, because you see that I pay two fees, guys. I pay two fees. So this is what it is. I want y'all to understand. When people be wondering, where is all that money come from? Where is all that interest money that we getting? Where is that money come from? That's where that money come from. That money come from here. Me making these transactions. Because in order for you to make money, let me hit the confirm. But in order for you to make the money, you have to spend a little bit here. You got to pay fees. It's always fees. You understand me? And the fees on the Kronos blockchain is much lower than, say, Ethereum. Ethereum kill you with fees, and a lot more other blockchain that charge you way more fees. So that's what it is. So it's all about all these fees. In order to keep making money, you have to spend. And every time someone spend, once you have that coin or whatever, you get a piece of that pie. And that's just how it works. So let's see. Let's close this out. And then, okay, so now I got zero. I got zero Savanna, okay? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my MMF and I'm going to go back to Savanna. And when I go to Savanna, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stake. What did I do? Okay, I thought I did something wrong. So I'm gonna go where I'm going. Okay, let me see. All right, yes. So I'm here, and then I'm gonna hit farm now, because when I go to the farm, I see that you could stake there. You know. Yep. Live in the flesh, man. It's live in the flesh, man. And then, let me show you this, guys. I'm going to have to pay another fee to stake my coin. You see what I'm saying? So it's always fee, but it's not a lot. The fee's not a lot compared to other places, because you make it back in no time. You know what I mean? So, but, all right. So I got MMF. So I'm going to stake my MMF here so I can earn Savanna. And I got to hit approve. And it should take me to my coin. Okay, I gotta pay first before, so it's 0.22226 crow. So all right, so once I do that, and then I have to pay again. I'm gonna have to pay again, you know. But that's just how it goes. It's not a lot. Break it down. It's one crow is 39 cents right now. So if you break down 0.2, I could find out, but I just don't want to get into exactly break it down to see how much. But I know it's not a lot. So, all right. So what's going on here? Okay. All right. So, didn't it? It didn't work. All right. Let's see. I got to do it again. Hope I don't have to. If it didn't work, that means I didn't pay. So, what is going on? What is going on? It's not. Okay. Yes, guys, I'm trying to see, because I got it. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, now, because I was wondering. It's just taking forever. All right, so let's go and see what we get. MMF. All right, so I'm gonna do the max. So it's gonna be, what is it, 4? Yeah. Okay, I just hit MMF and just stake the whole thing. No, I hope it didn't, because I want to do everything. It didn't even give me the option to hit max, because sometimes it'll ask you. So I hope it didn't. Okay. Because sometimes it asks you if you want to, it'll ask you if you want to do the max. And then, you just go ahead and do the max. But it's not asking me, so I'm putting it in right now. Put in because I want to deposit the whole thing in there. So, Okay, and then I'm gonna confirm it. Oh, you see? So now I got, this is the fee that they charging me. So I gotta pay 1.75485 crow. So I know that's like 1 crow is 30 cents. So I'm I'm paying close to 70 cents for this transaction, but it's fine. I'm gonna do it because I'm paying under $1. I'm gonna make my money back. So anyway, confirm. I'm confirm. I'm gonna make all that back. So this Savanna farm take a little minute to load up. So let me kind of give it some time and see. And it should show up down right here where it said 00, where you got the 0.00. My MMF should show up right there. Come on, moving slow. But yeah, my MMF should show up right there and start running. I'm waiting. What's going on? What is going on? What is going on with this thing right now? Okay. That's what I'm. Oh, that's what it is. $24. That's what we talking about. My staking pool is ready to go. All right, that's what's up, guys. So there it is. You guys see me do it. So that's my MMF right now. So they MMF, and I'm gonna earn Savanna. So let's see. You look at my Savanna. My Savanna is at 0. All them zeros. So look. Let's see how long it's gonna take to get a digit, to get something going. But that's what it is, man. The APY that I'm getting at here is 303. I said, don't say tree. My kid said, don't say tree, daddy. 303. That's the APY you getting back. You feel me? So that's what it is, man. So I'm gonna see how this do. It's $24.30. Right now it's down. Right now, MMF is down, but MMF have room to grow. In my opinion, it's only 60 cents, and this thing gonna hit $1 at some point. So maybe $2, $3. Who the hell knows? But as I said, that's what it is, guys. All right, there we go. We already got a 1. We already earned something. I already got something, guys, right there in the flesh. In the flesh. In the flesh. I just made money. I just made money, but that's all it takes for me to get happy, just to see that, and for you guys to see that and see that it works, and that's what it is. It's MMF, MMF finance, and this is DeFi. This is how it works. As I said, that's the more you put in is the more you take out. I don't know how long this video is. I think this is a long video, but at least you guys, I walked through it and I did it, and you guys see me do it. And wait, look, I'm already at 2. I just started. So I'm at 0.0002. Don't worry. By the end of the day, I'm gonna check back. I'm gonna come back, and what happened? The thing went down already? Come on, Savanna went down already, dog. But anyway, man, you guys see what it is, man. I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I make within tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you guys this tomorrow, man. But that's what it is, man. It's your boy Conga Lion, Crypto. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm always gonna do videos like this. I hope y'all enjoy this shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause hey, as I said, I'm not gonna have a coin sitting there not doing anything. You gotta go to work. You feel me? So that's what it is, man. Use my link to sign up for crypto.com if you don't have crypto.com, because that's where you get all the coins. They got variety of different coins, and you just go through of them. You go through and you look through the coins and you find what you're looking. Well, you're not gonna, I'm not gonna say you're not gonna find what you're looking for, but you look through them. You do your own research so you could know what you're getting into, and that's what it is, man. I think I just said too much, but anyway, you guys have a blessed day. Look, I'm at 3. It's your boy Conga Lion Crypto. Peace.